Welcome to Mazda Connect, our name for the multimedia system in your Mazda. If your Mazda has this screen, then this is the video for you. In this video, we'll be showing you how to set a destination, how to set your home, and how to add your current or local destination to your favorites. To set a destination, first press the Nav button next to your multimedia commander. Alternatively, using your multimedia commander, you can select navigation from the home screen. Once in navigation, you can use the multimedia commander to explore the menu. Select Add Destination and press it again to search. Enter the town, postcode or street name of your desired destination. Once you've entered the required fields, scroll to the tick icon. Press down once more, then select Navigate here. Your route will be calculated and guidance will start automatically within 10 seconds. To select an alternative route, use the multimedia commander to scroll to route settings, then you'll have a list of options to choose from. To set as home, first press the star button next to your multimedia commander. Select Home Empty on the Favorites screen. The system will then ask you if you wish to enter your address. Press Enter to confirm, then enter your address or postcode. Scroll to the tick icon and press it to confirm. Select your preferred location from the search results and press Save as Home. Then press Add to Favorites. The system will now confirm that your destination has been set as home. To add your current location as a favorite, select navigation from the main menu. Press and hold the favorites button next to the multimedia commander. The system will then confirm that your favorites has been added. To set a different location other than your current position as a favorite, select navigation from the main menu. Press the multimedia commander and select Add Destination. Press it again to search and enter the town, postcode or street name of your desired destination. Once you have completed the required fields, scroll to the tick icon. Press down once more, then select Add to Favorites. To recall your favorites in future, simply press the star button next to your multimedia commander.